Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you how to create a seamless cutout transition on a Capcut application. So here, if you can see, I already have the project, as well as I already have two clips here. You can see this is my first clip and this is my second clip. So I would like to have a seamless cutout transition for this two clip. So the first thing you have to do, you have to make this second clip become an overlay. You just need to go click the second clip, and after that you just need to slide this part into the left side until you found a overlay with this symbol. You just need to go click it, and the second clip will be automatically become an overlay clip. And after that you just need to slide again these features into the left side until you found freeze with these symbols, and they will be splitted to clip here. One it's gonna be a freeze video and the other one will be moving. So you just need to bring this freeze clip into several seconds before the first clip is end. Just need to go click zoom it, just need to delete this part and drag this into the several seconds of the clip. And after that you just need to delete the rest that you don't use it. And for the moving clip, you just need to drag it until it's at the position is right after the first clip. Can see here. And then for the next, let's do a cutout for the freeze part. You just need to go click the freeze clip, and then slide this tools into the left side until you find a cutout. Just need to go click it and go click remove background, and the background of the freeze clip will be removed. And here you can see that there is already have the same background with the first clip. And then for the next thing we have to do is just go add an animation for this freeze clip by slide this part into the right side until we found a animation. Here you just need to go click it, and after that you just need to slide into the left side the animation until you found a slide left animation, this part. And you can also adjusting the speed for the animations applied. If you want to make it longer, just drag into the right side. And after you're done, you just need to go click done. And now let's take a look at the result, the seamless cutout animation that we create. So it's gonna be start appear here, and that's it. That's the way how to create a seamless cutout animation on your Capcut. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.